come on down to Natalia's. We're open all through this icky weather.
Here at Lutz Hardware, we are definitely open today. If you need anything, come on down or give us a call. My wife kicked me out of the house this morning.
Hi, this is the Camas Hotel. We're here to help you out. If you need a place to stay, come on down.
All right, come on in. It's snowing, but we're here. We're open, and we start at noon. Happy hour all day. Hey, Jack.
Hey, we're at Cafe Piccolo and we're open till 4.
Hey, this is Ed at Camas Bikes. Hey, I'm just here to tell you that town is open.
Hey everybody, come on down. Lots of stores open today, restaurants. We opened about 7:30 and it's not too bad out actually.
Here at Grains of Wrath, we're open no matter what. We got beer and food specials going all day long.
Nice and cozy here at Camas Antiques. We're open today. Come on down and shop.
Hi, the Liberty Theater in downtown Camas. We're open today, full schedule.